What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to measure your brake pads on your car. The purpose of this video is so you don't get ripped off at the dealership. I'm basically going to show you how to measure brake pads on any car, because when your brake pads run out, your brakes will end up going metal to metal, and that's not good. I used to work at a dealership, and anytime a mechanic could sell brakes, he would, because it's easy money and it pays pretty good. A lot of repair shops will try and sell you brakes when you really don't need them. So if you're in that position, watch this video and I'll show you how to actually check your brake pads without even taking your wheel off. But let me take the wheel off to explain everything to you. If you get knowledge out of this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And how we're going to be measuring these brake pads is using a brake gauge tool. So now that we got the wheel off, here's the whole brake system. This is your brake caliper. This part and this part are two separate parts of the caliper. And here's your rotor, there's your brake line, and then if you look right in here, these are your brake pads. There's a brake pad on the left, rotor in the middle, and then a brake pad on the right. This goes by millimeters, so right here would be brand new brake pads in the green, 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter to 8 millimeter, and then 6 to 4 millimeter would be yellow, and then 3 to 2 millimeter would mean you need brake pads because they're getting extremely low, and that's actually where you measure the thickness. A quick way to check is all you do is stick this in here and try and get some back and forth movement. You want to fit it in there and then wiggle it back and forth. Now let's try a 6 millimeter. So, yep, 6 millimeters fits perfectly with a little bit of room. So as you can see, the brake pads are measuring in at 6 millimeters. That means they're still good. Now you want to measure the top and the bottom to make sure the pads aren't wearing unevenly. Another way you can measure the brakes is through this axis hole they give you right here with this other tool. The measurement goes down instead of just sticking straight out. So you see these measure straight like that, where the measurement on this comes down, and that's where you measure. So really easy. You just stick this in here and go back and forth, and as long as it's not in the red, you're good. You don't need brakes. And actually with this, you want to check all four corners. So you want to check there, you want to check there, and then you actually want to check here, back here. You can get to it. You can check right there with the tool. The easiest way to check is with the first tool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do all 4 corners. As long as it's not red, you don't need brakes. Just want to show you guys that really quick so you don't get ripped off at a repair shop. And sometimes they'll tell you need brakes when you don't. If you didn't know how to check them, now you do. If you got some knowledge out of this video or like this video, please smash that subscribe button. Peace.